Hey guys, today I'm doing a video partnering with Kiss to show you how to apply salon quality lashes and press-on nails. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Today I'm applying the Mink Effect collection, which adds 3D weightless volume with a knot-free band. That means they're super comfortable to wear and they look beautiful on. Start by gently peeling back the lashes to remove them from the packaging. Softly bend the band for added flexibility. You want to align the band with your natural lash line and check the fit. See where you need to trim excess if necessary. Apply a thin line of lash glue on the band. The lash glue is sold separately, but you can find it on the link below. Apply the lash against the natural lash line. I like to press the lash down in the middle of my eye first so it doesn't move around, and then I go into the inner corner and lay that down, and then I use the outer corner and lay that down. These are super fluffy, beautiful, tapered, wispy lashes. I love the volume that I get wearing these. Definitely a big fan. Kiss has so many different designs and styles of press-on nails, and making it super easy to create a very custom and unique look that you can apply within minutes. With clean hands and nails, I start by laying down the different nail sizes in front of me. Each set includes 24 ready-to-wear nails, ensuring you will have the perfect fit for each of your fingers. You can tell which nail fits by placing the thinner, more rounded edge of the nail at your cuticle. If the sides of the artificial nail hang over the edges of your actual nail, then choose a smaller sized nail. After you've found the right fit for your nail, start by applying a decent amount of the nail glue to the backside of the artificial nail. The nail glue is sold separately, but you can also find this on the website that's linked down below. Then apply more glue onto your natural nail. Finally, press down firmly for a few seconds until the glue has dried to prevent any air bubbles underneath the nail, and you're all done. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. It's super easy to get glam nowadays. I really enjoyed the press-on nails. They took me not even 10 minutes, which, you know what, I'll take it. I never do my nails anymore, so this is a really quick fix for me. And they look amazing. They're super cute. Don't forget you can find all these Kiss products mentioned on the Dollar General website, which I will definitely have linked down below. Go pick something out. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below, share some thoughts. Don't forget to go hit the like button, please, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next video that I post. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.